What is an electron?
What did you say about your electrons?
What is an electron?
Create an atom. Materials: 1 marble, glue stick, glue gun, silver beads, and a CD.
Right. So when we're talking about the atom is the smallest unit. So your skin, your hair, these walls over here, this hot glue gun that I'm holding here, it's all made of atoms, and there are very few things that are smaller than the atom. But what we're talking about today is we're going to be talking about the units of matter that actually make the atom. And if you guys noticed on your poll where we talked about subatomic particles, that's anything that's smaller than an atom. So that would be the things like neutrons, protons, and electrons. So if you look at these marbles over here, these represent your protons and your neutrons. And these are two small particles that hold the atom together. They give the atom its weight. You can see these marbles are really heavy compared to the CD. And the proton is a particle that has a positive charge. So it's going to be here in the center of the atom. And the neutron is a particle that has no charge and is also going to be here. And so these two, the proton and the neutron, they're going to help keep the atom stable. And what we call the structure here, when they're combined together, we're going to call that a nucleus. And that's the center of the atom.
Nucleus. Okay.
All right. So the proton over here is positive. It's on the upper half of this. And the neutron, it's not negative, but it's neutral. It's just hanging out here as well. But the electron is negative. And it's going to take this energy and it's going to go around the atom. It's going to be moving.
It's negative.
But it's not going to move. It's not going to move in like a straight line or anything. This electron is going to be somewhere in this space over here around the atom. And this space over here is called the electron cloud. That's where you're going to find the electrons in the atom.
What's found in the nucleus? Who can say them? Everyone.
Protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons.
Okay. So once you guys have your glue guns hot and ready, you can take the marble and you can put the glue on the marble and then stick it to the CD.
Mama, why are you doing
this?
And then take your second marble and put it on there. So
you take the small pebbles. You take the small pebbles, and then after that, you just put dots of the glue, and then you just put the pebbles on them.
Put the glue first, and then you put the pebble on the glue.
Oh, okay.
Right. But make sure you don't touch the glue when you're putting it on.
Mama,
Let me show you here.
How many marbles do we do?
How many
do we do?
Yeah, you can do as many as you want. Honestly, I think it looks cooler that way.
So this is Shaylee's. Hers looks a little like the copper, almost. So a lot of times you see a schematic, it looks like that, like what I just showed. I think you're done, right? And Hanif, you guys are working intently. And Abdullah, you guys are, can I see yours? Awesome, look at that. You have electrons all over your cloud. And your nucleus is right there in the center with your protons and your neutrons.
You need help?
There's a Yubes.
I'm gonna help you.
I would love to see everybody. Awesome. Look at that. Look at all those electrons around. And your nucleus, you did it. That's good. Good job, Farah.